Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 555, meaning and symbolism. 11 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 555, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 555 mean for twin flames? What does it mean if you see 505 on the clock? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 555 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 555 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 555? Angel number 555 symbolizes balance, harmony, and alignment. It often appears when you're at a crossroads, serving as a gentle reminder from the universe to trust the path you're on. This number sequence encourages you to maintain faith and stay positive, even when faced with uncertainties. It's a sign that your efforts are aligning with your life's purpose and that you're supported by higher energies. Seeing 555 frequently suggests that you're in a phase where cooperation and partnerships will play a crucial role in your growth. It's an invitation to embrace patience, trust in divine timing, and remain open to the opportunities that come your way. What is the angel number 555 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 555 is a powerful message of faith and trust in the universe. It signifies that you're on the right spiritual path and encourages you to continue nurturing your inner self. This number emphasizes the importance of balance between your physical and spiritual world. It's a call to deepen your spiritual practices, listen to your intuition, and align your actions with your higher self. The appearance of 555 serves as reassurance that you're being guided and supported by spiritual forces, urging you to maintain harmony in your thoughts and actions. What does the angel number 555 mean for love? In love, angel number 555 represents harmony, balance, and partnership. It suggests that your relationships are entering a phase of growth and deeper connection. This number encourages open communication, mutual understanding, and patience with your partner. For singles, 555 may indicate that love is on the horizon. It's a reminder to trust in the timing of your love life and to maintain balance between giving and receiving affection. Overall, 555 is a positive sign that love is aligning in your life. What does angel number 555 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 555 signifies alignment and the strengthening of your spiritual connection. It often appears during times of separation or challenge, reminding you to trust the journey and the lessons it brings. This number encourages both individuals to focus on personal growth and healing, fostering a deeper bond upon reunion. It's a message that your twin flame relationship is progressing as it should, guided by divine timing. Seeing 555 is a reassurance that you're moving toward a harmonious union with your twin flame. Cosmopolitan. What does it mean if you see 505 on the clock? Seeing 505 on the clock is often more than just a random glance at the time. In the spiritual and angelic realm, it carries a symbolic and energetic message. This time sequence combines the vibrational power of the number 5 with the divine presence of 0, which appears between the two fives to enhance and amplify their significance. The number 5 is commonly associated with freedom, change, adventure, and personal growth, while the number 0 symbolizes potential, spiritual connection, and divine guidance. Together, seeing 505 acts as a signal that change is not only coming, it is being divinely guided and supported. When you see 505 repeatedly, it may be a message from your angels or higher self that you're at a crossroads or entering a pivotal moment in your life. This time prompt encourages you to let go of limiting beliefs, outdated routines, or anything that is holding you back from evolving into a freer and more authentic version of yourself. It can indicate a shift in mindset, new opportunities on the horizon, or a spiritual awakening. In particular, the mirrored nature of 505 suggests balance. It may be time to align your inner and outer worlds, how you feel internally and what you're experiencing externally. It's also a reminder to be mindful of your thoughts, as they are manifesting quickly. Ultimately, 5:05 on the clock is a message of encouragement. Step into the unknown with confidence, because the changes you're facing are aligned with your soul's purpose. Trust that the universe has your back, and that any endings are simply the beginning of something more fulfilling and transformative. What does angel number 555 mean for manifestation? Angel number 555 is a powerful sign for manifestation, indicating that your thoughts and intentions are aligning with the universe. It encourages you to focus on your desires, maintain a positive mindset, and trust that your efforts are bearing fruit. This number suggests that your manifestations are in progress, and patience is key. It's a reminder to stay balanced, keep faith in your journey, and continue working towards your goals with optimism. The appearance of 555 signifies that you're co-creating your reality with the universe. How does angel number 555 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 555 suggests balance and the importance of aligning your financial goals with your life's purpose. It may indicate that partnerships or collaborations could lead to financial growth. This number encourages you to trust your intuition when making financial decisions and to remain patient as your efforts come to fruition. It's a sign that financial stability is achievable through harmony, cooperation, and faith in your abilities. Seeing 555 is a positive omen for financial opportunities and abundance. What does angel number 555 mean for former relationships? Regarding past relationships, angel number 555 serves as a reminder to seek closure and inner peace. It urges you to let go of any lingering negative emotions or attachments that may hinder your growth. Embrace forgiveness and focus on creating a harmonious present and future. This number encourages you to release the past with love and move forward gracefully. By doing so, you open yourself to new, healthier relationships and personal growth. How does angel number 555 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 555 highlights the importance of balance, collaboration, and alignment with your career goals. It may appear when you're being called to assess whether your work aligns with your personal values and passions. This number encourages teamwork, open communication, and the pursuit of meaningful work. It's a reminder to trust in your abilities, seek harmony between work and personal life, and remain open to growth and learning. By doing so, you can achieve fulfillment and success in your career endeavors. What are the strengths of angel number 555? Angel number 555 embodies strengths such as balance, harmony, cooperation, and faith. Individuals resonating with this number are often diplomatic, intuitive, and nurturing. They possess a strong ability to create and maintain peaceful relationships and environments. Their faith in the universe and commitment to personal growth make them resilient and optimistic. Embracing the energy of 555 allows for personal development, meaningful connections, and the manifestation of one's highest potential. What are the weaknesses of angel number 555? While angel number 555 carries many positive attributes, it can also indicate potential challenges. Individuals influenced by this number may struggle with indecision, overthinking, or avoiding confrontation to maintain harmony. There can be a tendency to prioritize others' needs over their own, leading to imbalance. It's important for those resonating with 555 to establish boundaries, practice self-care, and address issues directly. By acknowledging and addressing these tendencies, they can harness the full potential of this powerful number. Angel number 555 is a powerful and spiritually charged number associated with harmony, balance, alignment, and divine encouragement. When this number repeatedly appears in your life, it's not a coincidence. It's often seen as a message from your guardian angels or the universe that you are on the right path, even if it doesn't seem clear yet. This number serves as a reminder to maintain faith, stay optimistic, and trust in divine timing. Spiritually, 555 represents a deepening of your inner journey. It encourages you to listen closely to your intuition, practice mindfulness, and trust that you're being divinely guided. It's a call to release fear and embrace love and support from the universe. Regarding work and former relationships, 555 guides you to seek closure, heal emotional wounds, and pursue work that aligns with your soul's mission. It's a good time to collaborate, communicate, and maintain balance between your professional and personal lives. The strengths of 555 lie in diplomacy, intuition, and nurturing energy. However, its weaknesses can include indecision, avoidance of conflict, or sacrificing your own needs for others. Awareness of these tendencies allows for growth and true spiritual alignment. Angel number 555 is ultimately a message of peace, promise, and purposeful living.